Stuffed apricots with cinnamon and nuts. To prepare the apricot filling, heat the grated carrots on medium heat until the juice has reduced. Then add 100 grams of sugar, the cooked rice and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix the ingredients with a wooden spoon. Remove from the heat and leave to cool. To make the syrup, heat 720 millilitres of water and 300 grams of sugar in a wide flat bottom pan. Cook over medium heat until the sugar has dissolved, stirring continually with a whisk. Add the dried apricots, cloves and lemon juice to the pan. Cook the apricots for about 10 minutes until soft. When the filling you prepared earlier has cooled, beat it into a smooth puree. Add the ground walnuts to the pureed filling and mix thoroughly. Use a slatted spoon or strainer to remove the apricots from the pan and place on a plate. Open them out and place a teaspoon of the filling inside each one. Pack the apricots tightly in an oven-proof dish to keep them upright. Sprinkle the remaining syrup over the desserts. Bake for 15 minutes in an oven preheated to 180 degrees centigrade until the syrup is absorbed and the apricots are slightly brown. After removing them from the oven, leave on the side to cool. Add a teaspoon of fresh cream to the desserts and sprinkle with ground pistachios before serving.